It was all a dream. It was all a dream.
Was it all a dream? Was it all a dream?
God shall send them strong delusion. God shall send them
Or was it all a dream?
God shall send them strong delusion. God shall send them
Or was it all a dream?
God shall send them strong delusion. God shall send them
Or was it all a dream?
God shall send them strong delusion. God shall send them strong
Was it all a
delusion.
dream?
The Bible prophesied 2 Thessalonians. Strong delusion AI on my phony friends. Fake influencers shooting videos in the rented bins. Real women all in with the fake skin. There's no debating, the trains left the station. Doctors and scientists remaking homo sapiens. Crypto investments making people fake ends. In the self-driving cars, why will this all end? God shall send them strong delusion. God shall send them strong
It was all a dream.
God shall send them strong delusion. God shall send them strong
It was all
delusion.
a dream.
God shall send them strong delusion. God shall send them strong
It was all
delusion.
a dream.
God shall send them strong delusion. God shall send them strong delusion.
Is this all a dream or reality? Is this really happening? Straight catastrophe. I see last days, bombs drop, no surprise. I see warfare in the spirit again with my two eyes. The final hour is upon us, welcome to the end times. When they say peace from every side, you'll see Jesus up in the skies. The lamb, the lion, fire blazing in his eyes. Evil eliminated, the fallen meet their demise. It's about time.
Wake up,
open your eyes.
wake up, or God shall send them strong delusion. Satan is
Wake
the
up,
author of
open your
confusion. Elon Musk is wanting bodies to be computing. Mainstream pastors water it down, Bible diluting. Prophets for the prophets, that's Bible prostituting. Daniel and Revelation, that's where the truth ends. I suggest you read them and you'll see right through this. Nebuchadnezzar had dreams beyond measure. He summoned the best to deal with the stress. Interpret the dream was clever, but they were confounded. Daniel's God was better. God provided them insight about the end of the era. Fourth kingdom, mix it up, iron and clay together. The transhumanism is here, here's the heads up. Rib pulled from man is Gen 22 Tesla. Elon tree found in Dan 4 if you read up.
It was all a dream. It was all a dream.